Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Viduz Biology. Today I am going to describe to you about the chemical basis of living organisms. Before going to video, if you are not subscribed me yet, subscribe my channel. Okay, let's move to our topic. When we considering about our surroundings or the environment, there are a lot of plants, animals and other organisms in those environments. These all the living beings are made up of chemical substances. So the biomass is made up of chemical compounds. There are more than 100 elements in the periodic table, but only 20 elements are helpful to build up living things. These important elements are mainly divided into two parts as excessive elements and trace elements. The first one is excessive elements. These elements are the chemical elements that present in major amount in a particular organism. These elements required in major amounts by living organisms for their growth. These elements include more than 0.01 of dry weight of an organism. These excessive elements are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, calcium, magnesium and potassium. And also sodium, iron and chlorine are excessive elements in animal in addition to above excessive elements. Second one is trace elements. These elements are the chemical elements that present only in minute amount in an organism. These elements required only in minute amounts by living organisms for normal growth. These elements include less than 0.01% of dry weight of an organism. Those trace elements are boron, manganese, zinc, copper, aluminium, silicon, molybdenum and vanadium. And also sodium, iron and chlorine are trace elements in plants. Among these elements, the most common four elements in organisms are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. These elements are common in living things because they show variety of their valency. Normally these are light elements, so they have ability to make stable compounds by bonding with covalent bonds, and they can exist as gases individually or by combining with other elements. There are two types of chemical compounds as inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Water and minerals included into inorganic compounds. Organic compounds are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids. Water. Water is the essential compound for the origin and existence of life. And water is a substance composed of the chemical elements hydrogen and oxygen. Also, water has no taste and odor at room temperature, and it has ability to dissolve many other substances. Water exists as all three gaseous, liquid and solid states, and it is one of the most plentiful and essential compounds on the earth. Okay, now we are moving to know about what are the chemical properties of water. Water molecule composed of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, and its chemical formula is H2O. There is a delta negative charge on oxygen and delta positive charges on hydrogen. So, water molecule is a polar and angular shaped molecule. Number of water molecules bond together continuously with the help of negative and positive charges of molecules. These are some physical properties of water. Water is a colorless and odorless liquid, and it is a good solvent. Exists as liquid state within a wide range of temperature, high surface tension, and it has cohesion and adhesion forces. Then these are some important functions of water. In plants, osmosis and turgidity, reagent in photosynthesis process, transpiration, translocation of inorganic ions and organic compounds, and for germination of seeds. In animals, for transportation, osmoregulation, cooling by evaporation, lubrication, support and protection. Okay, thanks for watching my video. We'll see more about organic compounds in my next lesson.